Hi there, CreativeSarah here in another Dollar Tree DIY. This time I had a leftover scrap of tile and I found this kind of ugly pumpkin in the store, but for $1.25, let's remake it. So we're going to give it a makeover. I sanded off most of the glittery words until it was really smooth. And then I went ahead and kind of drew out the shape of the pumpkin on the tile on the back. And then I cut it out and fit it perfectly to the pumpkin front. Then I went ahead and just hot glued it on, easy peasy. Then here comes the makeover part. I went ahead and used a little bit of chalked paint in this like terracotta color, and I painted 2 coats. I let it dry in between. If you love these videos and you want to see more, go ahead and comment the word VIP. I will send you a message with a link where you can join my free DIY and crafting group. You'll get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information. Now, what I did next is I sanded a little bit of that paint off just to give the texture and the color. And then I also used a little bit of the silver gilding wax. Then I found some ribbons and a little bit of greenery to go along with it. Look how cute. You guys, I love my Dollar Tree DIYs. I hope you do too. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and follow for more decor.